Jesus!
Where is your son?
Where is he?
I don't know.
If I slap you.
Hey, how can you slap me?
Where is your son? Tell us where your son is. Or I kill you here now. Or I kill you here.
I don't know.
Did it look like I'm joking?
No.
I said, where is your son?
I don't know. I'm just coming back from the farm.
Before I can't train, tell us the whereabouts of your son.
I don't know.
Did I look like I'm
Tell us.
Where is your son?
I don't know.
One.
Brother, I don't know.
Where is your son?
I don't.
Two.
Maybe he's at home.
Where is your son?
Maybe he's at home. Maybe he's at home. Will you follow me?
Three.
Hey. My son, fine young man. What kind of thing is this? Thank God it was a dream. Hey.
Mama! Mama!
Eh?
Mama!
Eh?
Mama!
Eh?
They are coming!
Okay.
Are you going to run for your life? Move it! Move it!
Who is coming?
Mama, they are coming now. Will you move? Move it! Move it! Honestly, Daddy, my wife is so dumb. Too dumb to learn anything. What haven't I done? I have tried to teach her. The more I teach her, the more she fails. The more I try to make her improve, the more she is getting worse. What kind of a thing is this? What kind of curse did I marry as a wife? Just look at me. Huh? A professional plumber. I was doing good until I married this girl. Is she not a witch? Is she not a setback? I was a lot better before, but just look at how this woman has used her witchcraft to drain me. Didi, have I said anything? Huh?
Fine. Fine, Biko. Leave my wife out of the family problem, Biko. Eh?
But she's a woman. A very good woman at that. Since you married this woman, I have never heard you complain. All I see is smile, happiness. Eh? Can I just be happy? Can I be like you? What is the essence of marriage? Is it not to be happy? Huh?
Ifeanyi, why do you always complain about your wife? Eh? Darling, I don't like your company with him.
Ma. Don't talk to my friend in that tone, please. He's still my friend, remember? That's disrespectful.
Didn't you hear what he said about his wife?
Sorry. I'm Daddy, sorry, I didn't mean to. Madam, sorry. Let me start going. Sorry, Daddy, it's okay, let me.
I hope no hard feelings. Hope no hard feelings.
No hard feelings. Madam, sorry, yo.
Please take me out of here.
Now, easy. Why yo? Hit why yo? Nah.
No,
my apologies, please. Ima no more wine, eh?
I'm going.
Where has the husband gone to?
Mama, I don't know. You're aware he hardly tells me where he goes these days.
He came home, but it's okay. I'll talk to him.
Mama. Hey, Mama, when he comes back, tell him to take his food from the kitchen. Oh?
I will tell him. Ngwana Fioma, oh?
Thank you, Mama.
Ngwano, bye-bye. Okay. Chai. What's an industrious daughter-in-law?
The type of school I want to build here, no one has ever done, and it will accommodate all shades of children, the rich, the poor. You know, it pains me more when I see our future hope, all these youths loiter about during school hours. I mean, it calls for a greater concern.
Chief, you always have a good heart.
And I'm sure the ego will like the development. You deserve a befitting title. Yeah.
No. You know, I am not the type that chases title here and there. It's not my style. I prefer to lie low, you see, and not minding that my great-grandfather was a king. My father was a king. When it was time for me to ascend the throne, I turned it down. It's not my style, it's not my life.
Chief, why now?
Well, people like you will prefer to call me a backbencher, not a front bencher. I accept. It's my nature. You see, I always like to operate from behind the scene. Yes. My wife was a principal of a school before she died, and I retired to the village. That's why I'm here.
Wow. Chief, what about your children?
My children? Well, my daughter is a principal of a secondary school where my wife taught her, and where my wife was a principal then, before she died. And my son, a university down, is a lecturer.
Wow.
Yes.
That's good.
But why are you so inquisitive? Are you new in town?
Not really, Chief. I got into the village after my youth service. And besides, I don't mingle with the villagers. Yes, Chief.
Sounds strange, but you are not better than the villagers, are you?
Chief, I never said so. Oh yes, I never said so.
Don't forget to bring the plumber later today.
Sure, I will also bring the contractor so that the work can commence on the site immediately.
Good, so yes. I'm waiting.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. Hello? I'm at the site. Yes, I'm at the site. Oh, you checked?
Huh? Mama!
Why are you shouting?
Mama, I will shout.
Mama, okay?
I will shout. I will shout. Look. Just take a look. What is that, huh? Mama, can you just look? Look. Can't you see?
Can't you see what?
Mama, is it that you cannot see anything wrong with this?
What is wrong with it now? If you have anything to say, say it.
Mama, just take a good look at me. What is this?
Food.
Food?
Yes.
Look at the quantity a woman I call my wife gave me to eat. And you know I don't joke with food, Mama. Look at.
So how much did you give that woman you call your wife when you were leaving?
I gave her. But is that the bone of contention? How much I gave her? Look at what she gave to me, Mama. That's the major. That's the point. Why we're having this discussion? Why would she keep this small food for me, Mama? Just look at what she gave. Don't worry, I don't have any problem with you. I have scores to settle with her.
You were first.
Just look. Ovano, 1 meat.
You are lucky you got 1 meat. If I was the one, no one in a jilly. Every time you tell me head of the family or no, not be from out. He was here from Apa.
That's your judgment.
Yes.
Okay. 1 meat. Head of the family is not eating 1 meat. Head of the family. No problem. Mama, just take a good look. Look.
Equal back, I'll take that meat, Tanya. And I want to hear amen. So go and eat the food and be grateful.
No problem.
Head of the family, Abrono. Not be from out.
No problem.
Eh?
Ovano.
Was that why you called me out? Not be in there, nonsense. Batupiyaka. Touch her, people. I tell you. Touch her if I insist. Touch her. Makanda, why
Oh, we here. Jokes apart. You see, if Chief built that school. For me, it will be quite commendable. You know why? It will educate our children, it will change the psyche of our people, and it will develop the community.
Oh yes, you're right.
So it's a welcome development if you ask me.
Yeah, you're right. Our chief is a man of his word.
Yeah.
Have you forgotten how he single-handedly gave water to the entire village?
I've not forgotten. I've not.
Our chief is a nice man.
He is. I've not forgotten. That reminds me. I heard you had a fight with Onyinyechi. Kehemezi, I thought you said you wanted to marry that girl.
Dede, please, if it's about Onyinyechi, forget about her. Yes. You see, I'm not ready for all this stress you married men go through. Number one, that girl is stingy. Number two, she wants to follow me to anywhere I go to. Number three, she wants to know who I see and who I talk with. And you know it's not possible. Buchi of all people. A girl monitoring me up and down. No, I can't take it. Dede, you know that. Imakunka.
Buchi, can I educate you a little? You see, those signs you just talked about, or those things you enumerated now, are signs of love. When a woman loves you, she wants to do all those things. Wants to know who you're talking with, where you go to, and all that. But let me tell you, if you continue to pick faults like this, you remain unmarried though. Makachi.
And I'm not complaining. Even the Son of God did not marry. So who am I? Who is Buchi?
Buchi. Okay, because the Son of God did not get married, so you won't get married. Listen. Yes, go and get married one day. Go and get married. And be responsible. Go and get married and enjoy the wife of your youth.
Which enjoyment? Like, I don't understand. Which enjoyment did? Is it the one if I and they go are enjoying? Huh?
So you're now using Ifanyi's marriage as a yardstick for your own right? Listen. Go and get married. You're not getting married for anybody. You're getting married because it is right for a man to get married and be responsible. Okay?
Dede, the both of you are my role model.
Whoa.
And you are my closest friend. You know that, right? Eh?
Sure, dude.
You see this my single life. If for this my single life, I'm enjoying it though. I'm not ready for all these Ubimbawa. This one will come and talk to you anyhow. No, I don't want it. I am enjoying this my single life, so I don't want any problem. Allow me to enjoy my single life. It's the best. Please. Thank you very much.
Look, Buchi, listen. If this is the only thing you always discuss with my husband, stop it. I don't like it.
Ma. Please. This is my friend. Please. Please, take it easy.
Darling, didn't you hear what he said? Listen, you don't even have to be friends with people like Buchi. People that are not married. Especially this one.
It's okay. Come on. Calm down.
Dede, did you just hear her?
I did, bro. I'm sorry, please. If you're hurt, I'm sorry about it.
Oh, Ma, listen. I heard all you do is insult all your husband's friends. But listen, if you try that with me, if you dare try that with me,
It's okay, Buchi.
How dare you talk to me like that in my own house? Ma?
It's okay.
No. Daddy. I don't understand. What's the meaning of this?
I'm sorry about it, please. I'm sorry. I know you're hurt, Biko.
No, did you bring her here to insult me?
No. I'm sorry, please. Biko,
Then
Daddy.
please, let's go.
Please,
Just stop begging him. Let's go.
Dad, I say end of conversation now, please. I don't want to lose it, please. I'm losing it already, please.
Let's go.
Can you just go, please?
It's okay.
Thank you. How dare you talk to me in my house?
It's okay.
How dare you talk to me in my house?
Go.
Dede.
I'm sorry.
Dede, this insult is because of you.
No,
it's because of you.
Let's go. Like, don't go and marry.
Come on, get out! No, Dede.
Please.
Ego.
JJ.
Ego.
JJ. Hey,
Asuka.
you started
Ego,
again.
get me
No,
water.
let me get you water. Oh, I'm coming.
Ego. Hey. Hey. Ego.
You like?
Today pepper soup is super.
Oh, I know.
Super.
I prepared it specially, as if I know you are coming.
Huh?
As if I knew you are coming.
Ego, see.
Hey, you like, eh?
Ego.
Eh?
If you say you come my house.
Ah, no,
come
Jeremiah.
prepare
I
this
can't
stuff for
come
me.
to your house. now. I'm a
She will
married
come
man.
here. Ah!
Was
She will.
joking
He
now.
was just joking. She
What
will
did you
come
say?
to your house to cook.
What did you say?
Ah!
It's a customer now.
Ah!
It's a customer
Hey,
now.
no,
Stop it! No!
He's just joking now.
Stop now. No, how
Hey,
dare
hey,
you?
go.
Move.
Are you mad?
Movet.
Huh? Why now? Why?
Hey,
Are you
Bushi!
It's a customer now. It's a customer.
No.
It's a
What am I
customer.
doing?
He's a customer now. You will go to his house.
He was just joking.
I cook for him,
now.
right?
Hell.
No. I'll
He's
pay for
just
this.
joking.
I'll pay for this.
My
Customers
husband
now
Stop.
whisper.
Grandpa,
to
don't
your
see
ear.
here.
was just joking now.
Customers now whisper to your
It
ears.
was a
Customers-
joke.
Customers
He said
are
I
just
should
like-
go and
This idiot.
What has she done?
What has she not done? She has been sleeping with people as if that is not enough. She brings them to her pepper soup joint. It's not true. It's not true. Did I catch you? By the time I am through with you, you will know he's not joking. Look at this idiot.
Yeah, one day you will kill her. Oh.
Mama, let me kill her. Is it not better? Before this idiot will kill me. She will not just concentrate on her business. Sell your pepper soup. No! Flinging. She was flinging. Flinging. Huh? This thing. My property. Flinging is leaving her pepper soup to be flinging. Huh? Huh?
You don't want to commit murder. What day a woman?
Mama, let me commit murder. Is it not better? Is it not better I commit murder before this idiot will kill me? Mind your pepper soup joint. Go and sell your pepper soup. Let pepper soup digi. Mba. Flinging. He flinging from where you are.
What were you?
Mama, this is not the first time it's happening. I've been hearing it. I kept quiet. This time around, I saw it. Chief Ume was ready to take my so-called wife to his house to make her his cook. Huh?
Brother, how sure are you of this allegation? After all, you know how some customers can be now. They can be very, very playful.
Huh?
And now...
Huh?
Guinea. Your sister is right. Your wife is serving the public.
Oh.
You know how it is.
Serving the public. Not sleeping with public.
Serving the public. You know how some customers can be. Like she said, a lot of them are playful. And if you're not careful, you will misunderstand the whole thing. Nam, I will suggest you stop monitoring your wife.
Huh? I should stop?
Stop it.
Okay.
Because you might go there and say something and you will read another meaning into it. Huh? I will suggest you stop monitoring her. Mind your business at times now so that you can live longer.
Okay. Because I want to live long, I should allow my wife to be sleeping with all the people in this village. Huh? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Huh? Okay.
Naya, don't start behaving like your father. Here can nagi megide nworo.
Mama, hey.
But it's true now.
Mama, that is how one customer was trying to touch her bum bum.
Hey.
I was trying to touch her.
Extreme.
That's what I'm saying. But she's the cause. Serve your pepper soup. She'll be swinging. Swinging. Swinging.
Swinging. Did you see it? Or somebody told you?
Does it matter? Huh? Does it matter? The most important thing is that she will be swinging.
Okay,
And men
that's not the point, though.
So what is the point?
Fine, Chubu, you're being overprotective and suspicious. Huh? You don't believe your wife is loyal to you. You don't believe she's faithful.
Exactly.
Mind your own business. Stop going there. Let her do her business.
I should mind my business.
Mind your business, Your father was too nosy. You have seen it.
Mama, honestly, you surprised me. Eh? This is not what I was expecting from you.
What were you expecting? That I should tell you to sack her? Eh? Eh?
Mama, this thing is not getting funny anymore. Are you sure Ifeanyi is not seeing another woman?
Bow. Hey, no. My son cannot do a thing like that.
Then why is he maltreating his wife?
Well, I don't know. He said she doesn't dress well, that she's dirty.
Really? So how does he want her to dress? Like a prostitute? So that later he'll come back and complain.
Mama will keep talking. But one thing I know is that Ifeanyi is so lucky to have married a girl like that. Very industrious.
Does he even know that? Does he appreciate that? Mama, Biko, let me be going. My husband will soon be back from work.
Oh, Mama Biko, when you get home, can I tell him that I appreciate the money he gave me. Okay, that God will replenish his pockets.
Amen.
Keep being a good girl.
You know I am.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, Mama.
Bye. Eat.
Mama, why is Ifeanyi doing this to me? Why? He hates it when he sees or hears that I'm with a male customer. Mama, Ifeanyi has no single regard for me. He abuses me before people. He calls me dirty and ugly. I don't know why he's doing this. And all this he does not because he cares about me.
He is your husband. Let us begin from there.
Mama, he talks down on me. He calls me dirty.
Now, what about the one he says you threw yourself at your male customers? Did you forget that part? Well, you know the kind of man you got married to. The worst thing that can happen to a woman is for her to marry a jealous man.
Mama, I am not doing those things he accuses me of. I am not. I can swear with my life, I'm not doing them. They are just hearsay. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not doing them.
I believe you. But it's okay. Avoid those things. Oh, by the way, Rita was here today.
Oh, she was here? How is she?
She's fine.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, Mama, you should have called me now so that I can bring my chicken pepper soup.
Yeah, I did not want to disturb your market. Moreover, she was in a haste.
Oh, okay.
But she will come back.
Oh, she will? Okay.
She will. Yeah, it is well.
No, it's not easy.
My husband was like that though. Don't worry. Oh? Everything will be fine.
Mama, it's not easy.
Which my husband complains about everything about me. Even the ones I did not do. I don't even know who is feeding him with all these lies that he believes. I don't know.
Ego, you are such a good woman. Yes, you are such a good woman. You see, people like you are very rare. In fact, why I'm still single is because I have not seen that woman who exemplifies your character.
I wish your friend shares your line of thoughts. He sees me as a monster.
Chai! But don't worry. Don't worry. He will soon come around. I know he's seeing another woman.
Eh?
Yes.
Eh?
No, don't shout. Why are you shouting?
Why will I not shout? You're telling me if I seen another woman.
Oh, you see? You see why I don't tell people the truth? Just this little one, you started shouting, Boba can get Allah. What if I tell you the main thing?
Oh! So there's still main thing. This one you just said is preamble.
Mama, good afternoon, Mama.
Good. Mama, good afternoon.
Ego, tell your husband I ask after him. And I ask after him. See you some other time.
Mama, welcome.
Tell me why your husband will not be molesting you all the time.
I don't understand.
Just 1 hour ago I left this place. Eh? Only to come back to meet you and a man. All alone in this house. If you know na pamarom. Eh?
Mama, it's not what you think. He was only trying to...
I don't want to know what he was trying to tell you. I don't care. I'm not interested. I keep telling you. Stop doing those things that will make your husband insult you. Idan, stop doing them.
I've been looking everywhere for you now. Huh?
My guy,
Where did you go?
Forget where I'm coming from. Ask me what my two eyes saw today, Ifani. Hey!
You know you've been saying things. I don't know. What did you see this time?
Listen. Hey, God. I saw your wife, Ego, standing very close to Jeremiah in a lonely place.
Huh?
Yes. The moment he saw me on Maple. But guess what? He even asked me not to tell you. But you know me now, you're my very good friend. There's no way.
Oh, wait, Buchi, I hope this is not one of your jokes. Oh. No, I'm being serious here. You saw my wife. With who? Jeremiah. Standing in a secluded place. Doing what?
If I am sure I've never lied to you before. Yeah. Yes, I know. I know there is more to Ego friendship with Jeremiah than what they do outside. Yes. But Ifanya, listen. If you ask me, it is better we teach that Jeremiah a lesson he will never forget. So that tomorrow, yes! We can't allow him to go just like that.
You saw Jeremiah with my wife and all.
If you know I can't lie to you now, what is all this now? So you don't believe me or what? Eh? I saw Ego and Jeremiah. I think they were even kissing or something. Yes, the two of them were kissing. Do you know what? Ganti now. You know that Jeremiah? I swear to God, that man is a professional kisser.
Will you just shut up?
If you see the way the Jeremiah was kissing,
he's a professional
kissing your wife.
Hi.
Hey, whoa!
He was kissing her.
I swear to God.
He was kissing her.
If you see the guy, oh my God. Let's see yourself. He was kissing her. Hey! Oh my God!
It's been a long time.
You can't feel it.
My dear, how are you doing now?
I did fine, no.
You're looking bad.
Man, it's been years. Nobody have seen you.
Oh boy, how man go do now? You know my profession now. From one place to the other, being busy, man.
Busy. Wow. Even with this ASU strike.
That's the most reason you're seeing me today now. If not for ASU strike, do you think you would have seen me? No.
Okay, that's true. I have to say you're at the village now.
Man, you know, after the death of Momsi now, how man go do now? He got to retire home to have some rest in the village.
You're right. See, we'll hang out now.
I'm just coming back. I've not even seen my father. I've not seen the old boys. Nah, you know, we're back change.
I tell you, time still day. You get this where would they chop this fresh chicken pepper soup where I go like make it taste.
Enjoyment no go kill you for this
life.
Like
am. Just move go and show you the place. If you even buy give your old man. You go like am. I know the things where they like it now.
You and that thing for you.
You go like am.
Hey,
I got letter.
Oh boy.
Hey. Oh man.
Thank you.
Believe me.
Thank you. Thank you.
I not tell you. I tell you.
Bad person. Oh boy, no place where you know sorry for the star. Madam, this is your chicken pepper soup will really make person because of wife. Begging him.
I'm not begging him.
I saw your hands like this.
I'm not begging him.
You're begging him.
I wasn't begging
Yeah,
him.
what are you saying? That you will deserve?
Hey!
What are you doing there?
Hey!
You will deserve.
Pucci!
You leave here.
Pucci now!
One. Huh? So this is what you wait. This is what you came to do, eh? You came to buy pepper soup. You came to buy pepper soup and the seller as well. Huh? Leave this place now. Happy. Okay, leave. You were begging him for his number. You are being. You. Huh? What do you want to say? What sort of rubbish is this? What kind of embarrassment is this? Okay, I will tell you the embarrassment. You will see at home. You're begging another man's number. Swinging. We'll meet at home.
I did not swing.
Why are you doing?
What did I do now?
No, why are you doing this to your husband?
How?
Is it because he doesn't have a car? Is it because he doesn't have a car?
Come to my husband, you're here escalating things. Nam,
what is happening?
Because please. My husband is not like this, so I'm sure someone must have upset him over there. Please.
Madam, I'm already angry.
Biko.
I'm already angry.
I beg. Don't get angry. Biko.
Jay, you know what? This man must be taught a lesson. I need to teach this guy a lesson that he will never forget in the world.
Don't teach him any
Andy,
lesson.
it has not gotten to that.
It has!
Yes, it has.
Please calm down. The shop is not his. The shop belongs to the wife. He doesn't even support his wife. It's my fault, eh?
Yes, of course.
Put the blame on me. It's my fault. It's my fault.
Jeremiah, you know my husband. He's not like this.
Sometimes. You know, I don't understand the fine.
It's not like this.
And you knew all these things. Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? And you brought me up for the first place.
It's okay now.
That is not okay. That's
Okay,
not
I will
okay.
add one for you. Please. Yes, let me add Jara for you.
Good.
Your friend must have furnished you with the idea of the building I want. I want everything on point, everything symmetrical. Yes, and he has worked for me before, so I trust his sense of judgment.
Thank you, Chief. Chief, you have nothing to worry about. The house is as good as done.
work on it. It's an easy one. And he also told me about some leakages you have here.
Well, there are some leakages here and there I want you to fix, and I'll give you some money now. For the school building project, wait for the architect to come with his building designs so that I'll hand them over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
What I said. I'll get you some.
All right, sir. You again!
Dad, what is this man doing in our house? What are you doing in our house? This hungry, rude and arrogant fool! What are you doing in our house? What?
What is happening here? Dad, what is the noise about?
He's the one. This is the person I told you about that insulted me!
You?
Looking at my wife.
Me what? Me what?
No, hold on. Sorry.
He was looking at my wife.
Sorry, guys. Chief. Is this your son?
What about it? Yes, he is my son. And my daughter, Kudo. Oh, so this is the way you guys go about insulting every living soul you meet on the street?
Hi. I swear, Chief, I never knew he's your son. I'm so sorry, please. Hi.
Does it really matter? Does it matter, I ask you? How dare you insult a university lecturer with a wife and beautiful kids of having an affair with your dirty village?
I beg your pardon.
Akudo, please don't derogate a lady because of the incompetence and foolishness of the husband.
Daddy, I've always known this man. He's so arrogant and domineering. What in God's name are they doing here?
No, Chief, it's not true. She's lying, huh?
Well, Buchi recommended him to this. That's why I asked him to come over.
Chief, this one that incited his friend to embarrass me at Ego shop? Chief, these people are bad news. Dad, the truth of the matter is I don't know why they are here in our house. I don't know why they are here, but whatever reason that brought them to our house, I don't want to know. Instead, I will go down to the city and pick up some person that are more qualified and more capable than them.
Chief, he was looking at my wife.
Don't ever bring your wife into this matter. Don't bring that innocent woman into this matter. Don't put that blame on her.
I'm sorry, but you were looking at...
Or you're out!
You said?
Both of you out.
You were looking at my
Chief.
wife.
Out!
Chief, no now. Chief, we didn't do anything.
Get out!
Chief, I didn't...
Jeremiah!
Buchi, if I...
Who's out of this compound?
We should go.
Oh,
I didn't do anything. No, we didn't do
you don't want to go, right?
Get out!
You don't want to go. Alright, wait for me. Wait for me and see. Alright, wait for me. Just stand and wait for me.
Can you imagine?
Just touch me now. Touch me now. Are you trying to touch me? Try that nonsense again. Let me destroy your face. Onyala, look at her. If you talk that, I will. Now. Look at this idiot.
Okay, what have I done?
What have you not done? What have you not done? Mama, look at this idiot. What more? Are you asking me why am I beating you? Are you asking me why am I beating you?
No, why you?
Mama, do you know what this idiot has caused for me? Huh? Still your pepper soup? No. You'll be flinging all the... Look at what flinging has caused. Mama, this idiot was flinging at one man. A man that caused trouble between me. Now the father almost gave me a job. But now, when he found out that I already have problem with him, he couldn't give me the job. Job that would have saved my life. Huh? Didn't you fling for him? Huh?
What is this fling? What did you do? What did she do?
Mama, ask this idiot. Oh yeah, maybe go to me. This girl has killed me. Someone was supposed to help me now. My destiny changed. But this idiot will not stop flinging. She won't stop flinging. Mama, stop looking at me. Ask her what she did in her shop this afternoon. Onyala, flinging. Say your pepper soup. No! You will go and fling. You! Don't worry.
Who did he catch you with? Huh?
Love my husband.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What are you looking for?
Please, I want to see Ifeanyi. He's a plumber. Do you know him?
Ifeanyi, a plumber. You're speaking to him.
Okay.
So how may I help you?
I need your services. I have a new store by the evening market, and I need some plumbing work to be done. In the small 2 toilets and 3 sinks outside.
2 small toilets, 3 sinks outside.
Yes. Beside the arena church.
Auntie, welcome.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Your wife? No problem. It's okay. So please, can we go and check out the place now?
No. I won't be able to go now. So you can see I'm eating. You already told me. The second shop after Arena Market.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
2 small toilets.
Yes, inside.
Inside, then 3 sinks outside.
Yeah.
What exactly is wrong with the sink? Is it tap?
No, the flush.
Oh, flush.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll buy the materials and then I'll bring it. I'll come by 4. So when I come after everything, you balance me with my workmanship.
Okay. All right.
No problem. By 4 I'll come.
Okay.
Second shop before Arena Market.
Arena Market.
Oh, Arena Market. I'll come.
Yes.
4 o'clock.
Okay. All right. Sister,
Auntie, bye.
All right, bye. By 4 now.
Okay.
Okay.
My husband.
Don't want to hear that nonsense. Go inside. Move it. Move now.
All your strength on her. Why all your strength is on her?
What is it? Huh? Listen, what is it?
Why did you marry me?
Oh, goodness. Is this why you woke me up? Why did I marry you? Huh? Please, I had a lot to do today. Just let me go to bed. I need to rest.
Tell me why you married to me. Okay, fine. You want to go to bed?
Yes.
I'll leave you to go to bed. Sorry for waking you up in the first place.
Why should you wake me up in the first place? Huh? Why should you even wake me up? Look at you. You're a disgrace to womanhood. You're not clean. Look at your face. Look at you. Just take a very good look at yourself. I'm not sure you took your bath last night. Look at the way you're smelling. I can't sleep and face you. I have to face this way so that I can have good breath. Huh? Don't you see other women? Must your husband be rich before you look good? Huh? Matching her. Don't you see her? Are they rich? Your husband is just a bike driver. Oh, she's very clean. Appealable.
Is that what you do?
And you thought I was supposed to teach you everything, including taking your bath at night, including brushing your teeth, combing your hair, looking like a decent, a clean woman. I'm supposed to teach you everything. I'm supposed to teach you how to walk on the street. You'll be walking. You disgrace me. Just
My own is different.
Please. I had a long day. Let me sleep.
My own is
Do you want me to leave?
Be the best day of my life.
I try my best
Dirty woman.
to make him happy.
Ego, you cannot leave your husband simply because he complains about everything you do. Like they said, all men has a mumu button.
Akoko, I wish Ifeanyi has. He doesn't have any mumu button. He doesn't have. Just look at what I have brought upon myself. When you girls, my friends, were in school, I left school. I ran to this place to meet a man. Now look at what my actions have cost me.
But we warned you, you never listened. There was a point in your life when Ifeanyi was the only friend you had. All of us, we are nothing but your enemies. Just because we told you the truth.
Oh, Ibiakwa, do you want to start blaming me now?
No, I cannot blame you. See, I want you to sit and make things right.
There's nothing to make right with my sister. I wish there's something to make right. Nothing. There's nothing between Ifeanyi and I. Nothing. Uduaki, you don't understand. I'm gradually dying. I'm dying.
See, your husband will be a coward if he chooses to capitalize on your disadvantages and make you less of a woman. He should be grateful to God for.
God for?
Ewo.
Aha! You should be grateful to God. Right? For giving me a burden as a wife. Huh? Isn't it? No, I'm asking you for giving me a burden as a wife. Now let me ask you. Are you not married? Are you not married? Has your husband ever told you that you're a burden to him? Why are you advising my wife wrongly? Huh? Oyenkuzi?
Ifeanyi, I don't know what the problem is. But whatever be the case, fix it out. It's your home and nobody else.
Good. So now you know there is nobody else but my home. Yet you left your house, your husband. You came here to gossip with my wife, eh? You came here to gossip as if that was not enough. You insulted me, called me mumu, that my wife should look for the button, mumu button. Abi, you came here to gossip with my wife.
Ifeanyi, nobody was gossiping about you.
Although you were telling her stories about me. Stories how I killed 48,000 cows or lions. You were not gossiping about me. Why is your husband treating you like this? Look for his mumu button. That's not gossip. Huh?
Ifeanyi, what really went wrong?
You made... You're not feeling cold. What do you have to say? Huh? No, you tell me.
Ifeanyi, what went wrong? What really went wrong? You made Ego and enemies before us. Just because you wanted to build your world around her. That is love. Then what happened to that feelings?
What happened to that feelings? You're now asking me questions. What haven't you done to me today? You have insulted me in my house. You've left your home to gossip me in my house. As if that's not enough, you called me Mumu Button. Now you're asking me questions. Alright, I'll tell you. Now, when you sat here discussing with this woman, gossiping with your husband, with this idiot, you didn't know anything. Now you don't worry. Madam, I'm still talking to you. Listen, you will not teach me how to run my home. You will not teach me how to decide what to do in my house. You won't tell me how to deal with my wife. I don't even know what to do. Get out of my house. Get out!
Ifeanyi,
move it!
Apart from the fact that the both parents are late, nobody gave you Ego for a wife. Remember, you did not pay any money on her head. Maybe that's why you are treating her like that. Because she didn't cost you anything.
Don't say it. Please don't put me in trouble. Please, it's okay. Come and go.
Tell that to this your half-husband of yours.
She called me half-husband.
You slapped me. Leave me alone. Ifeanyi, listen. Listen and listen very carefully. I have a man like you at home. And for once, he has never raised his hands on me. Next time you will try this with me. I will teach you a lesson. I will put you where cows like you belong.
No, it's okay. Come and go.
Man.
Come and go.
Ego, leave me alone. Fool.
Hello, madam. Where are you going to?
I'm going to Main Town.
Main Town. Madam, you need chatter.
Chatter? Why chatter? Why is everybody saying that?
You see, that place is very, very far. And there is no assurance that when we are coming back, we'll pick any passenger.
We?
Oh, sorry. When I mean we drivers. We don't always get passengers when coming back from that place.
Okay, so how much are you going to take for that?
5,000 only.
5,000?
Yeah, 5,000 naira.
Oh, Oga, please, 5,000 is too high. I don't have 5,000. You know what? Let me give you 4,000 naira. So let's go.
Madam, that place is far. Oh.
Oga, take 4,000. Let's go, I beg, yeah?
Madam, you just want to cheat me, oh. No problems. Now come in, hop in.
Okay.
This road is so terrible. I'm beginning to wonder if there is a government here. What am I saying? Oh! What kind of trouble is this? This woman has forgotten her bag here. What's she thinking? And it's not as if I go to town every day. I think I'll think of something to do. I think I have to. I'm tired now. I can't do anything now. I need to go home and rest. What kind of trouble is this? What was she thinking? Huh? What was she thinking? Oh, it's okay. It's all right. Ego, this one you're standing on the road. I hope all is hunky-dory.
Dede, which one is hunky-dory again?
I mean, I hope all is well. That's what I mean.
All is not well, though. All is not well at all. All is not hunky-dory, like you said.
So, I mean, why?
Dede, you will not believe that since morning that I opened this shop, I've not sold anything. I've not made sales. Nothing. And this has been going on over the week now.
This is strange. Did anybody shake his or her calabash for you today?
Who else? Nobody shook his or her calabash, if not Ifeanyi. Who else if not Ifeanyi? When I was warning Ifeanyi, stop attacking my customers, stop attacking these people, he never listened. Stop attacking them. Now look at the results. Look at what is happening. Not one says.
Yeah, but it's okay. Don't lose hope yet, okay? The day is still very early. Our people say, Ijuru tutu, amanjafia. You know what? Give me 2 plates.
Hey!
One for myself and one for mom.
Hey! Dede, oh, you don't know what you have done for me, oh.
No problem.
2 plates. That one is big, oh. You don't know. Hey!
Okay.
Let me serve it, oh.
Okay.
I'm coming. Dede. This bag is fine. You bought a bag for your wife. Yeah, a good husband though. Nice.
My dear, no, I didn't buy any bag for my wife. It was one of my passengers' bag. She forgot the bag in my car. And ever since I've been trying to locate her, but I don't know how to meet her.
Can I see the bag? It looks so much like the bag one of my friends Udwak came with to my... This bag look exactly like the bag my friend Udwak brought to my house this morning. Today.
Who?
My friend Udwak. Is there any problem?
Udwak?
Yeah, she came to see me today and I saw her carrying a bag like this.
That's the name. That is the name, Udwak.
The name? How?
I mean, the name of the passenger I carried, the owner of this bag.
Other driver.
Yes, madam.
You're not like other drivers.
Yes, madam. You see, I worked as a customer care representative for, all the years I stayed in the corporate world.
Really?
Yeah.
So what happened?
Madam, you see, my story is a long, sad and boring one. But the bottom line is that I was sacked without giving any reward for something I knew nothing about. Everything I had was confiscated. But thank God I have this supportive wife who's there for me. At a point in the city, the center could no longer hold. I had no choice. I had to relocate my wife here to the village.
Chai, so sorry. I'm really, really so sorry about this, yeah?
Thank you. You see, this happened like 5 years ago. And this is where I am. But I thank God. Mr. Mother, I really appreciate your genuine concern. Okay. Though my name is Dede Onyekachi.
And my name is Udwak Aneti.
Udwak Aneti. Okay. Wow. It's a pleasure, ma.
Thank you, Oga Driver.
It's a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Udwak Aniete. Is that the name?
Yes, that's my friend's name. Her name is Udwak Aniete. She came with... I know. Where did you carry her from?
I picked her from the express to the town. And ever since, I've been looking for her to return this bag.
Okay, that's not a problem, I will send a message to her to come and get the bag. If it's not hers, I'll give it back to you.
No problems. Well, she has a birthday, chubby, tall.
That's Udwak now. That's my friend. No problem. I'll give it to her. I'll give it to her. Like I said, if it's not hers, I'll still give it back to you.
No problem.
Let me get to your plate. Thank you. Thank you. Let me
my plate.
I love my husband.
Is she back?
Nothing now.
Where could she have gone? Very much unlike her.
Very much unlike who? Mama, please. This is her usual. She must have gone somewhere to do her normal giveaway. Gone to one of her sugar daddy's place, but no problem. I'll be right here. No problem.
Stop the assumptions. Call her on phone because I am a
Huh?
Phone.
I try my best.
You're still lying. What do you tell my mother? What do you tell my mother? Huh? You're still lying.
Jesus.
Why would she be lying?
Are you mad?
How would she be lying?
Are you mad?
How would she be lying?
Even in my presence.
How would she be lying?
Nonsense.
Have I ever told you a lie? How would she lie to you? Onyala. You're not faithful. Yet you're still lying to my mother.
Ego.
Sell your pepper soup. No.
Ego.
You'll be playing.
Shh. If Annie Mechionu, you're not a beast.
This message I need your problem.
She's not answering me.
She doesn't want to answer. I told you. Very disrespectful. She doesn't have respect. And you've seen the person you're supporting now. She's no longer answering you. You're not disrespecting my mother. Onya, let me just.
Don't touch! Imoma.
Sell your pepper soup. Focus.
She's not answering.
She doesn't want. She's Jalebi. She's acting. She's Angelina Jolie. She's acting, mommy. She's acting.
Ego.
Boy, you're now.
When you like it, Wanganya.
Lie. Fling.
Get up.
Sell your pepper soup. You won't sell your
Get up.
Lie to my mother next time. Let me hear you. If not for one thing now, just use these gates now. Look at this. Mommy, she's pretending. Yeah, Boyola.
This guy had a focus.
Sell your pepper soup. No! You'll be playing.
Ego.
Boyola, actor.
Ego.
Actor.
Oh, that acting, wow, come on. She's not answering, no.